Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about an important concept in general equilibrium theory, the idea of blocking condition and how it leads us to the definition of the core of an economy. So let's take any coalition of consumer, that means any group may be large or small. We say the coalition blocks an allocation called X if two conditions are satisfied. The first condition is when they pull their initial endowments together, they can reallocate them among themselves to form a new allocation Y. And the second condition is under this allocation, every member of this coalition is at least better off as they will were with X, and at least one of them is strictly better off. If these two conditions is hold, then the coalition has successfully blocked the coalition of X. Now come, what is unblocked allocation? So unblocked allocation are those allocation that are stable because nobody has an incentive to form a side group and walk away. Everyone is at least as satisfied as they could be within the latter condition. Now that we understand blocking, we can finally define the core. The core of an exchange economy, usually written as CE, is the set of all allocations that are both feasible and unblocked. Feasible means the allocation must respect the total resources of the economy. We can't distribute more than what exists. Unblocked means no one or no group can deviate and do better on their own. So the core represents the safe zone of allocation where everyone is satisfied enough not to leave and no group has a profitable alternative strategy. To make this even clearer, let's use the Azure box. Feasibility means the allocation lies inside the box. The lens-shape region between the indifference curve through the endowment point shows the set of allocation that are mutually beneficial. But not all the points in the lens are efficient. Only the points on the contour curve are fully Pareto efficient because at those points the indifference curve are tangent. Therefore, the core is initially the set of all allocations that are inside the lens-shape region and on the contour curve. In the other words, the lens-shape give us the necessary condition and the contour curve give us the sufficient condition. So, the core captures both fairness and efficiency in an exchange economy. It tells us which allocations are sustainable and acceptable to everyone. Thank you for watching.